The story of living progress continues with our vision of tomorrow's progressive luxury. A vision that's exclusive, sustainable, fully electric, and human-centric.
Welcome, Hannah. Here is the playlist you were already listening to inside. Your new estimated time of arrival will affect your schedule. Would you care to order lunch? Lunch order confirmed. The Audi Progress Circle has various exclusive events available along your journey today. Would you like to schedule a visit? Visit confirmed. Your appointments and a new navigation route has been successfully entered.
A vision filled with meaningful and fascinating experiences for all the senses, in which digitalization creates freedom and holistic sustainability offers peace of mind. It's so much more than just an interior. It's an immersive sphere that inspires, with room to connect, to create, and to recharge. It's an experience device focused on your comfort. A private, first-class lounge for the urban environment, automated, digital, and social, powered by a holistic digital ecosystem. It's our vision of future premium mobility, emotional, intuitive, and grand.
DJ Satin Jackets is now online with an exclusive live stream. Would you like to attend? Attendance confirmed. You are now live with DJ Satin Jackets.
Shaping the future. Introducing the Audi Gransphere concept.